You are trying to build a data analytics portfolio in 2025. You might have probably Googled beginner to intermediate level project details and end up in 15 more tabs, right? Let me save your time. Here is the list of the 5 projects that are not only doable but still super relevant this year. The first one is the very famous one. Can you predict who's gonna unsubscribe? In today's world, many of us have having more than 5 to 6 streaming platforms, and majority may cancel 2 to 3 out of these 5. So here is the dataset called Tello Customer Churn. You can use this dataset to build a project that can predict the customer churn, like who's going to bounce. This may also help you look someone who understand people and data. The second one is build your own. You might also like system. Interesting, right? Ever wonder how Amazon or Netflix know what you exactly want? Use this retail rocket dataset. It has a real e-commerce behavior data. You can create a simple recommendation system that can suggest the products based on the people purchase. It is a great way to show how you connect the dot between the behavior and the smart decision. Plus, it sounds super cool. Yes, you build a recommendation system. The third one is the healthcare analytics. Health industry and the data analytics are growing multi-fields. And there are a lot of opportunities in and around there for data analytics. Let's take an example of the appointment data set here and try to predict if a patient will show up to their appointment or not. Meaningful, simple. So you are not just about dashboard, but you also want to create an impact. Here is the UCA website where there is a plenty of data which you can use for your data analytics skill project. Let's say if we go to the heart disease problem and based on the age, sex of a person, cholesterol level, and many other prediction parameters, you can basically do a data analytics and give a categorical analysis. And also, if you're comfortable, you can also try to predict based on this data set as well. So the fourth one is what will people buy next month? Retailers love when people can forecast their sales. Here is the another data set on the store sale, which is basically a time series forecasting. You can use that real store data sale data to predict the future demand. It's simple math meets the forecasting or trending. The last one is basically based on the city traffic data. Every Saturday there is a traffic and you thought it could be much better. Take an example of Bengaluru. Here are the few open data set from New York or LA. You can choose any particular city or you can use also the data set from the Google itself, which you can actually use the real city traffic data to find the pattern or suggest some smarter routes. I know it's a messy data, but that's what real life analytics will do, right? If you can clean this, you are a golden. If you can make sense of it, you are best suitable for data analytics in 2025. These data sets are pretty simple. None of them required a 6 months of coding or anything. Just pick one, start messy, and learn as you go. You don't need to be perfect. Just start it. And don't let your Wi Fi crash in the middle of the project. Trust me, I have been there. And yeah, the last comment. If your Excel crashes or the Python throw error at the 37th line, congrats. You are officially a data analyst now. Save this, pick a project, tag me when you want to build it. I want to see. And let's keep the data party going. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.